I want to back someone that I can really believe in. It's not just an investment, it's a partnership. Get out! Succeeding in business is not easy, and neither is this competition. I've handpicked 15 individuals with promising food businesses.
We were listed on Time Magazine's Best Inventions.
They will compete to win my backing. $250,000 of my own money. That investment will change my life. I need to get a sense of their business skills.
Make sure that we're hitting that profit margin.
They've got to make money. Otherwise, they're just going to be busy idiots.
It's average, it's not great.
I cannot be in business with someone that will not adapt. This is unlike anything I've ever done before. Who will be my food star?
Gordon Ramsay's Food Stars. Saturdays on Flavour Network and streaming on Stack TV and the Global TV app. Coming December 30th.